Hey friends, I am Catherine, and today I am thinking about making a rainbow bead. I've got all the colors here. I had to mix up the orange myself. I didn't have any of it, pre to that color, but whatever. And we just want to, I want to make a bead. So I'm going to roll this red and kind of square up the ends a little bit maybe. Roll it to like maybe a little bit wider than that because we can always roll it thinner. Okay, something like that. I've got paint all in my nails. That's okay. I was painting a little bit ago. That's fine. Then we'll set that aside and we will take our orange and something to crush it down flat with and crush it down flat. Hopefully to an even width. And there we have it. Something like a flat disc of orange. We might want to square up those edges a little bit. Where's my bench scraper? Ah, there it is. And then I will just set the red snake on there and square up the orange sides to the red, maybe a little bit shorter than the red. It'll be fine however it works out. And then square off that edge and set the red back on and roll it around and then slice off the orange where the other edge meets. And there we go. Press everything down. Smooth it all off, hopefully. Sometimes I'm good at that, sometimes I'm not. And now we've made a hot dog. No. Then we do the same thing for all the rest of our colors. The yellow, the green, the blue, and the purple. Go. Same thing. Crush it flat. Peel it up. Pull it off. Square it out. Check it for length. Then do the same thing. Roll it around. Ooh, that is not wide enough. That's okay. Clay is stretchy. There we go. Try again. That's better. Something like that. Pull off the extra and set it to the side. Then just kind of patch that off. On both ends. There we go. Didn't end up with very much yellow left over, but we'll smooth all that down, hopefully. There we go. Something like that. And same thing for the green. Crush it down, pull it out, square-ish, well, rectangle-ish, however you want to call it. hopefully somewhat like we know what we're doing. Just kind of making it up as we go. Whatever, it'll all work out, I'm sure. And pull off that extra and put it on the end. Put it on the other end. And a little bit of this green that we cut off. And there's the green. So we've now got red, orange, yellow, green. You just have to do blue and purple. Okay. That needs to be a little bit wider, actually. There we go. Lay it on, roll it around, get it most of the way there. Bring it just the rest of the way gently. All right, and that's blue. Okay. And then purple, and this purple block's really small. So I'm going to grab some more purple is what I'm going to do. I'm going to just make a bigger block. I'm going to have to condition that all up. There we go. Squish it down flat. As flat and as long and as wide as I can make it. And then pull it up. Okay. Then wrap the purple. Ooh. That kind of tore off too much there. That's okay. We can make it work anyway, but I'm definitely glad I grabbed that extra purple for it. Take off some from the end a little bit and bring it around to the side. And there we have a rainbow. Now I just have to roll it down thin, bake it slightly, and you will be able to see the video where I cut this down into discs tomorrow. What do you think? If you like this, I would be glad to hear from you. If you have any thoughts or ideas on different things that I could try, if you think there's a cool bead out there you would like to see me do, if you have an idea for a painting you would like to see me paint, let me know. I am always interested in trying new things and new ideas, so I'm always glad to hear from you. And in the meantime, I put up new videos every day, so that if there's ever something that, if there's ever a day that you'd like to see something, there's always something new to see. And remember to subscribe, and I will see you all tomorrow.